Today we are doing welcome to the Northern Sweden welding channel. Today we are going to do an exercise on a 4mm plate with an eye groove that will take your welding skills to another level. So here we go! This is, in my opinion, one of the best welding exercises there is. It's easy to set up, but it's very hard to weld. It requires that you learn to see several small variations in the weld puddle that will make the difference between success or failure. The first sane thing you think you want to do is to jam the rod deep into the groove, but that won't work here. Instead, you want to keep an arc distance about half of the filler's core. In this case it's 1.25mm arc length. And you will also need to have a little bit more aggressive welding speed. And as you can see in the arc shot coming up soon, we are using no fancy wheels here, just a straight line. And once you see this arc starting to dance around in the puddle, you are about right where you should be. You also can see that the puddle sits a little bit lower into the plates. Now you are also on the very edge of blowing a hole in the plates. This is kind of walking on a knife edge. That is just where you want to be. I think this exercise is so good that you can almost compare it with, like, you know, with the Karate Kid movie, with Mr. Miyagi that does the wax on, wax off. This is the equal for welding. And it will most certainly push your welding skills to another level. And since this welding exercise is so easy to set up, I would be really glad for all of you who got the opportunity with some plates and some 7018 to give me some feedback on this one. Try it out and drop a comment in the section down below. And here we got the finished results. Don't think I need to say that much about it. And here is the root pass, and you can see the restarts, or can you? You know, it's like with God. Everyone knows he's there, but no one has seen him. And here is the arc shots when we push it a little bit too far. This will happen. You see the arc starts to rotate more and more. And all of a sudden, you think you're going just fine, boom, a big hole in the plate. And that's about it from the Northern Sweden welding channel. I would like to send a special thanks to my wife and to my grandmother, who has my children today, that made this possible, this movie I made today. But until next time, have a great day.